I just caught these two birds on the rooftop. They look like ducks. They sound like ducks, but they're smaller than ducks. They could be quails. I'm going to have to look that up. Let me see if I can steady this camera some. I'd like to be able to zoom in. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this and go with the other camera. I hope they're still there.